Hi everyone. Today let's see how to validate your tweets on Twitter. So before I jump right into this, let me explain a bit about what we are going to do. So we'll be installing a Chrome extension and we will be giving it a private key. That private key will be used to generate a QR. Basically, you type in some tweet and you generate a QR using the private key, and that QR code will be uploaded with the tweet so that that tweet can be valid anytime from this website which you see here. So let's get started. Go to GitHub. This link is already there in the website, so you can just go to netter.tuxcanfly.me and you can click this link. This will take you to this GitHub page, and in this you can download the zip. So if you download the zip, it would after extracting it, it would look something like this. So no, not like this. It would look something like this. So in this, basically, you would want to go to into the Chrome extension. So if you're already good with programming, then you can just do a npm install and uh, a dist folder will be generated, and you can just directly load the Chrome extension from that. But for someone who doesn't know programming, this is a much simpler way to do this. So the most important point for you would be to go into the final extension folder, and this has to be loaded into your browser. So let's do that. Let's go to our extensions. Okay, I don't know where Chrome extensions. So here in this, let's load our extension. So this is already pointing to the directory. So let's select this and this should automatically load a tweet signer. Now we need a private key. So let's generate one. So generate a SSH private key online. So let's generate a private key. Make sure that the private key's size is 2048 bits. So once you can just but make sure that this is not how you generate it. You can also do it from your system. That would be the recommended way to do that. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be doing it from this page. So just go to the extension. You can enter your private key here, set the private key, and now let's type some tweet. So you can all actually let's go to Twitter directly and let's type in some tweet. So I'll say hello, welcome to Twitter. Make sure that the content is always same. So let's generate a QR for this. You see that the QR is generated. Download it as well. QR code. I have it in the downloads. So now that we have copied the tweet, and we should the important point would be to attach the QR code to the tweet. So let's attach it. And once you're done with this, let's tweet this. And one more important thing to remember is that you need to make sure that we basically generated a private key and a public key, right? So it is like a pair. So just make sure that the public key is enough in your bio. So you can't have that directly. You just let's create a a GitHub. Like let's add this key to our GitHub account, and in that we can directly see the keys. So you can just go to github.com, and in that you can let's add a key here. So in the settings, we have SSH and GPG keys. In that, add a new SSH key and paste this here, add SSH key. And this is once this is added, you can just go say your username dot keys. So if you see like this is the raw content and this has your key. So make sure to have this in your Twitter bio. So I'll just edit my profile and I already have it, but I'll just add it again. So I'll save it. Once this is done, I can just copy this URL link and open this website which I showed you earlier, and you can do a fetch on this. So this would automatically get the public key, tweet, and the signature. So if you verify, it should show a verified tweet. So even if you edit this something to like let us say s and something, even if you verify it, it would say verification is failed because this is not the original content of the tweet. This is the original content. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.